Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings website. Now we're going to take a look today at something that's new to the EGW Writings website, and that is categories, or navigating to different collections of books that have been formulated into topical areas. Now, in front of me, I have opened the EGW Writings website, and you can see here right on the screen where I have categories. All right, so right there, categories. Now, when you open it up, you will notice these series of categories like Christian lifestyle, Christ, life and ministry, church history, church life and ministry, conflicts of the ages series, devotional readings, education, the biography, evangelism and witnessing, health and wellness, last day events, leadership, lessons from the Bible, parenting, and publishing. Now, each of these areas that you can see in front of you represent different collections of books. So if I open up Christian lifestyle in here, you'll notice that it will list, if I'm not logged in and I haven't selected a language, it will list all the books within this category from all languages. Now, I can come in here and I can place the filter by clicking on the little tiny filter icon and go to language and choose English, say, for example. And now it will just show the English books within this Christian lifestyle category. So you can see Christian service, Christian temperance and Bible hygiene, country living, daughters of God. And I can go through and say, oh, okay, so I can look within that category. Now, if I do a search, for example, and I'll show you that in a minute, I'll just jump back into one of the other categories. So say I come in here and I go to devotional readings. So if I come into here, it will list all 21 of the devotional books that we have. And if I want to read within this category, that's not a problem, I can. Maybe, though, I want to search within this category, and I can do that too. So if I type in the word faith, for example, and I get my search results back, you can see right here in the middle of this, the related search results, that it will tell me that in Christ, Life and Ministry, so those books, the word faith has 526 matches. We also looked a second ago into Christian lifestyle. There are 1,547. Now, in the devotionals, in the devotional readings, there is 5,347 times that the word faith appears in it. So if I click in devotional readings, there we go here, I get all my 5,347 results for faith just within that devotional category. If I click on the little related and come back, I could jump across here to our first example, Christ, Life and Ministry, and I get my search results just within that category. Now, if I want to look at another category, it automatically opens up the related, and I can go down and I can look at faith in church history. I can look up the word faith in church life and ministry, or faith in the conflicts of the ages series of books. They are all the different categories that I had back here in the related section, or back up in here in the categories which you show in the tree. I can limit my search results to that. So the beauty, I can read within a category, or I can search within a category. So if you want to go through and use the tree now to update my search results. So currently we're in Christian lifestyle, and that's the category in which we've got our search results in. But maybe I want to see faith in Christ's life and ministry. All I need to do is place a check mark there, and now it's added results to Christ's life and ministry. And I can uncheck, the results out here. So I can be in, Christian lifestyle. I can come across and see results from Christ's life and ministry, and I can uncheck the results from Christian lifestyle. So I can update my results, and I can add in here multiple collections in my search results, and it will update the totals over here. So you can see I've got 2,587 results from between Christ's life and ministry, church life and ministry, and education. Where if I uncheck church life and ministry, I drop down to 1,103. And if I uncheck the Christ life and ministry, then I'm down to 616 in just education. So you can use the tree to help filter your search results in the categories as well. And hopefully that is a useful tool that you can use when navigating for, saying, finding out in a particular topic area, so it might be Christ, Life and Ministry or the Conflicts of the Ages series, then you know that we've pre-sorted the books just dealing within that category for you, and you can read or search within that category. All right, so that is navigating through the category menu in the new EGW Writings app. Thanks for joining us. Have a nice day.